Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through and here's a guide on how to add BNB token to Metamask. So to get started with a quick guide on how to add the BNB token to Metamask. So the first thing to do is to click on the Metamask icon in your browser or your mobile phone. Then make sure you launch it. Then from there, you have to switch network to BNB Smart Chain. So to do this, at the top of Metamask, click the network drop down. Then if you haven't had a BNB Smart Chain yet, you will need to add it first. So the first thing to do to add it is to add the BNB Smart Chain. So click Add Network, then fill the following details, which is your network name. You can name it to be your BSC mainnet. Then you also have to input your RPC URL. Then from there, you have to also fill in your chain ID, your currency symbol, then your block explorer, which is very important. Then once all of that is being set or added to your details list, then click on save. The MetaMask will now connect to BNB Smart Chain. Then after that, your MetaMask will now show your balance in BNB by default. So if you transfer BNB to your MetaMask using your wallet address, start with 0x, it will appear immediately, and that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.